That's when they found it, a freshly poured concrete slab.
A family is begging for closure as they try to bring home a missing Amherst County woman. Elsie Wigginton has been missing for about a year.
Nearly 14 months passed with no answers, but police weren't ready to give up. Then in August of 2024, investigators returned to the Wigginton property with cadaver dogs and ground penetrating equipment. That's when they found it, a freshly poured concrete slab, and beneath that slab, buried right on the property, were the remains of Elsie Wigginton. It was exactly what her family had feared since that final text message.